it was uninstalling 2.1. So because you see here is 201. 201 means 2.0 version. If you see something like 200, this is 2.0. If you see 202, this is 2.2.
Okay.
So it's a little other
it depends on the version.
So 2.1 was uninstalled, and I assume now you wanted to update to version 2.2.
No, I don't have uninstalled the 2.1. I only run the program that I have downloaded for the page for Camag Hptlc, and when the update is running, they make me a mistake,
an error.
Yeah. So to quit, and they erase the other version.
The thing is that if at the installation it gives an error, it already deinstalled the old version. So therefore it looks like that. So it is uninstalling the old version, and on the installation it gives an error. So do you have the data somewhere? So the
for
2.1.
Yeah, of course.
So if you have something like that, the 2.1 on this system, it doesn't work to over-install the 2.2. So we have to first install the 2.1. Then you can go on. Okay, so
this is the
2.2.
Yeah,
this is the 2.2. So this won't work.
So
do you have already data in this 2.1?
No.
So
No.
there's no data. So okay, if the custom says no data, means
so I have to reinstall the 2.1.
no. If you have no data, you can just delete what correctly delete it. So it means we go into. Oh, I hope I find that.
What are you?
Now the control panel. Yeah, exactly.
It's tricky. It's also new for me. Correct.
No. Here?
No, you should put control panel on.
Oh, not here.
No, it's not.
Oh,
It's not the configuration.
Okay, here.
It's apps.
Open.
Installed apps in Windows 10.
Oh,
No. Debe haber un cursor para subir. En Windows.
Windows.
Ui, da ist doch das Zahnrad auf der linken Seite bei Xbox X neben da ganz links.
Ja, aber da bin ich vorher gesehen.
Und dann Apps, go to Apps, Applications.
En otro Windows debe haber
Musst du es deinstallieren, oder?
Ja.
Also du musst ganz nach links gehen, da drauf, da drauf. Und Big One, Configuration.
Yeah.
Und dann parallel Apps, Applications, das System, oder?
Application system.
Ja. Und da musst du anschauen, Apps, Notes,
Application characteristics.
Yeah, we have the different apps where it's now. Let's call that, there it is.
So okay, here it is. Oh. Okay.
Install.
So usually the first you would do is you would try to install the 2.1 here now, but as we want to go really to install the new and there is no data, it is a lot safer and faster to uninstall the 2.1 and to really uninstall it correctly. I have to uninstall the SQL, the Camag instance of SQL Server.
In this case, if I don't have any data,
If you have
If you have a
don't
data, you need to
data,
install
you can do that.
this folder.
If you would have data,
2.1.
you have
installed.
to restore first 2.1 and
Uh-huh.
then update to 2.2.
Is this really the right one, SQL Server?
Yeah, SQL Server 2008 R2.
Okay.
The other ones are just client and setup. So oh no, yeah, it takes some.
Remove.
I think the structure of the state is quite different.
Yeah.
I had one single case where I had to uninstall this as well, and this was the other ones here, and that was a case when we are using SQL Server program 32-bit version, and if somebody installs a 64-bit version, you have to uninstall all the SQL entries. You have to one by one uninstall it, and then reinstall the 32-bit version. (7:05 a.m.)
In Mexico.
Okay, here we have the Camag instance. Yes, this is correct. Save all. Next. And now we move. So, the first question at the customer is always, did you make a backup? If you do something in Vision Cats. Anyway, the first thing at the installation is also, okay, I do a backup. What is the backup procedure? What are you thinking? What should be the safe process in your company? So therefore, if you install a new Vision Cats, it is really important. With Vision Cats, we said just save the files at a safe place. But here we can't do that. The database is stored at on this PC. So therefore, we can't tell them save it on a safe place. So therefore, we have to save the backup at a safe place. This is taking some time. I think it is very important that you have this picture somehow in your mind if you do something like that. And if you're not sure, always just ask us before. And the emphasis before you do something. The thing is really the guys in America sometimes they just go on. They are Wild West. So let's do something.
Thank you.
And then oh, we have a problem. And then, yeah, how we are going to solve this? It is not always that easy if something really was started. So therefore, you have to find this balance to do something, but not
doing something.
If you really know what you're doing, fine. And if you're not sure, maybe better you ask before.
But for example, if you have, is this error common error or is not a common error that during the update passes?
This is you did no. Have you so you had 2.1 on it, and then you made an update, and there the error was coming. Usually not. But you know what error? You know the error message?
No.
Okay, now we have. if we go to C, we have still these files here, and but as they are not used, so I can delete here now. I can delete it. I deleted Vision Cats was already deleted, and now SQL Server. So I can delete this because my customer told me he has no data. Okay, and with that now,
You have it on the top half.
here we have now the same thing as we have on the DVD, and with that, maybe it runs. Let's see. So we leave that normal, we leave that also normal. So, now I did not run it as an administrator, but we'll see. Yeah, usually with the administrator thing is really important that the customer, that you say, you never know exactly the rights, but on your own computer usually isn't. So, okay, we will run that. If it is running, fine. If it's not running, I will see what I can do, because then it's something different. Then we have to, I will inform what was wrong. So I hand over to Fred. So